Welcome back to my channel. You guys don't know my voice, so here's a voice reveal. And I'm going to be rating my besties. Fidget, say hello.
Hi.
So, let's get started. Okay, first one.
Hexagon Pop It.
Give you guys a look. This is so good. The bad side's not actually that bad. Okay. Since the bad side's not that bad and the good side's pretty good, I think I'm going to give this a 8 out of 10 because it's really good and I love the colors, guys. It's also sparkly. Next. Squishy. That I actually didn't get you this.
Mm-hmm.
I actually got this. Like 2 years ago. It's kind of broken, but I don't care about that. It's good, but like the eyes kind of mess it up, you know?
Yeah.
So I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Pretty good, man. So cute. Next. Mochi. Okay. This is a good mochi. I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. It's good. Okay. Now, if you have any more mochis, because I can see, just bring all of them. Dump. Okay. All of them out of 10? Okay. So, these two are, like, the clear ones are my favorite. The regular, like, what? You have two. These ones are my favorite. These are 4 out of 10. These are 10 out of 10.
Okay. The next fidget will be a stress ball.
Orbeez stress ball, guys. 10 out of 10 already. Okay. Guys, look.
Okay. The next one is an
Infinity Cube. Okay, this is so good and so easy. And it's just black. I kind of like it just black. Okay, this is 10 out of 10. Oops. Okay, this is a textured monkey noodle. I have the same one, it's just different color and it's a different thing. It's like a monkey thing. Here's a unicorn. It's really good. Really good. So I'm probably gonna have to give this a 7 out of 10. It's good. Monkey noodles, I love them. Just kidding. 0 out of 10. No, just kidding. They're really good. I got Oops.
Now,
okay.
I really don't know if this fidget counts.
I don't know what I give these, so that's I don't know.
So I really don't know if this counts as a fidget.
It's textured
it's
like monkey noodles. It's like, look, it's like monkey noodles. Right? It's just a hairy yo-yo.
Yeah, so I really don't know. I don't think she really has to rate this one, so
I am.
Okay.
2 out of 10.
Now, this is my worst Pop It. It's so bad.
Pink. Okay. At least the good side's good, right? 4 out of 10. Bye.
Thank you. This Pop It is so bad. Like, it's not the best.
Okay. So bad. Bye, y'all.
Okay, so now
We're saving the best fidget for last.
So I have this mini Pop It that is pretty good.
Wait, what did you? Oh, the mom like it. me give her this. It's cut up. So good.
Okay.
I give it. Wait, I'll rate it. It's a good Poppet, just like the one. 10 out of 10.
Okay, but this was my first ever real fidget.
Yeah, that I gave her too.
So she gave me, it's a little pea popper.
Six.
Okay. Now I'm going to see. Oh.
And these are all your fidgets, right?
Yeah. So this is a mini pop tube.
Wait, what? Oh, out of straw?
Yeah.
Did you make it out of the straw?
No, my friend gave it to me.
And it's purple. Favorite color. Well, not mine. Hers.
Mine.
So cool. I give that a 7.
Well, speaking of pop tubes, I guess I have to volunteer my loudest pop tube.
Pretty good. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Why did I put my leg down?
Okay, now I have this rainbow poppet.
And one is missing.
Yeah.
Cool. I got 'em. Oh, that was a good stick. Or is this the good side?
So,
I don't really like this puppy, so 1 out of 10.
so I have this.
Ooh, 10 out of 10. Okay, this is.
A spinner.
Oh, okay.
And then,
Ooh, I'm bad. Okay. Ooh, 10 out of 10, man.
so speaking of dimples, since this, I have a simple dimple.
Close up. Out of 10, yo.
And then here's another really good. Oh,
What's that? What's that? Okay.
but okay, here's the poppet I was bringing out.
Not a paintbrush.
Let
Let me try it. That's the bad side. 1,000 out of 10.
Okay, now
1,000 out of 10. Oh my god.
a snake.
Ooh. Oh, I hate this. No, I'm just kidding. It's 5 out of 10.
And then I have a butterfly.
Ooh. How much poppets do you have?
No, I've been counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I have more in my
8.
backpack.
You have 8. You know, cool. I have 22. 1 million out of 10.
Okay, I have a marble mesh.
Guys, I actually have 22. If you watch my videos, you'll see my ASMR video. So good. Okay. Oh my god, this is 2 out of 10. No, I'm just kidding.
That's the sound of the next fidget.
We will be back in a short break. Wait. I'm going to do my trick. Ready? Okay, ready. When this touches the... What? Where'd it go? Where did it go? Okay, wait. Ta-da! There it is. Wait. One more. Gone. And then. Boop. Ta-da! Okay. Never mind about my magic.
Okay, so now this.
And I have the same one. I don't know what just happened, guys. Sunny just text me. Oh no. I have the same one, and this is 1,000,000 out of 10. Like, bro.
And then I don't really.
Stop texting me random stupid.
I don't really want to open this, but it's.
I do.
Can I?
Okay.
Oh, it's glued shut. I can't open it.
Well, it looks like that's not opening. Okay, goodbye.
And
2
then-
out of 10.
Here.
The last fidget.
Here's my.
Stop with the big fish!
Okay, but here is the finale.
My fidget. There's a weird sound. Okay. Okay, 1,000,000, 1,000,000, billion, jillion, and the 1,000, and the jillion, million, jillion out of 10. Out of 1,000,000, bajillion, and the million, jillion of 60 jillion out of that.
Okay, well, we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye, losers.